This is an LVL beam. Did you know that most houses these days are built with these things? The big difference between dimensional lumber and LVL is the thickness. Dimensional lumber finishes at 1.5 inch and LVL finishes at 1 3/4. So if you have to assemble beams, you're going to wind up with different thicknesses, so you're going to need different screws. 3 3/8 for a 2-ply assembly, 5 1/8 for a 3-ply assembly, and then you have the 6 7/8 for a 4-ply assembly.